Are you tired of overpriced software solutions that don't deliver what they promise? The software industry is booming, but let's face it, not all of us can afford the hefty price tags. And even when we do, technical glitches, limited features, and inadequate customer support can often leave us in a lurch. But imagine a world where you're not just a customer, but a seller of software solutions. Imagine having access to thousands of pre-built software options, not to mention an AI technology that replaces overcharging apps. What if I told you there's a way to bypass these issues and get more for less? Meet Devio, a revolutionary platform that provides you with an affordable software solution. Imagine a platform that replaces overpriced apps with artificial intelligence technology and a plethora of pre-built software options. All of this for a one-time price of $15. Yes, you heard that right, $15. But don't let the price fool you. Devio is not just affordable, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate through this platform. It's designed to be easy and convenient, providing you with cloud-based accessibility that you can tap into anytime, anywhere. And if you're looking to sell software, Devio is your ticket to the booming software industry. An industry projected to generate a revenue of $812.9 billion by 2027. Devio presents an amazing opportunity for you to enter this lucrative market with minimal effort and cost. What's more, Devio comes with world-class customer support and a commercial license. So you're not just buying a platform, you're investing in a complete solution. With Devio, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a solution. Now you might be wondering, how does Devio work? Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 and doesn't require any technical expertise. Let's break it down. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on the Devio platform. It's straightforward, just like signing up for any online service. You'll be asked for some basic information and voila, you're in. Now, onto the fun part. Once you're logged in, you're welcomed by a user-friendly interface. Here you'll find thousands of pre-built software options to choose from. Whether you're looking for a specific application or just browsing through the vast selection, Devio is designed to make the process as easy as possible. But what if you want to sell your own app? Well, Devio has got you covered. You have the opportunity to upload your software and set your price. Yes, you heard it right. You're not just a buyer, you're a seller too. The third step is all about transactions. Devio offers diverse payment options, making it convenient for everyone regardless of where they are in the world. You can effortlessly manage your purchases and sales all through the platform. And the best part? All of this is cloud-based. That means you can access Devio from anywhere at any time on any device. It's like having a virtual software marketplace right in your pocket. And just like that, you're part of the lucrative software market, all thanks to Devio. Now that you know what Devio is and how it works, why should you buy it? Well, the answer is simple. With Devio, you're not just purchasing a tool, you're investing in a revolution that's replacing overpriced apps with AI technology and thousands of pre-built software options. A revolution that's making the booming software industry accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. And the best part? It's affordable. For a one-time price of $15, you get access to a platform that provides cloud-based convenience, diverse payment options, and world-class customer support. That's right, $15 to enter a market projected to generate over $812 billion by 2027. But if you're still not convinced, let's talk about Devio's 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right. If you're not satisfied with Devio, you can get your money back within 30 days. It's a risk-free investment in your future. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the discount link in the description below and join the Devio revolution today.